Struggling with snoring, poor sleep, or daytime fatigue? Vermont Sleep Center helps patients identify and treat sleep apnea and sleep-related breathing issues with comfortable, non-CPAP options. Our sleep center offers results-focused care. This may include options such as night laser therapy, which is a non-invasive, patient-friendly laser treatment for increasing the quality of a patient's sleep. Ready for a good night's rest? Schedule a sleep consultation with Dr. Mike Morris in Burlington and take the first step toward healthier, more restful sleep.